Hey there, English learners. Welcome to the HZ English Pod. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie. Thanks so much for tuning in today.
We've got something really practical lined up for you. Today, we're diving into how to talk about your daily routine using the present perfect tense.
Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Oh no, grammar. But trust me, this is going to be fun and super useful.
Before we jump in, quick reminder. If you find this episode helpful, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more learners like you.
All right, so Liam, let's start simple. The present perfect is actually something we use all the time when talking about our day. Want to know the secret?
Tell them, Sophie.
We use have or has plus the past participle of a verb. That's it. So instead of saying, I ate lunch, you say, I've eaten lunch.
And the cool thing is, you use this when the exact time doesn't matter. You're just saying the action is complete.
Exactly. So, Liam, let's make this real. What have you done so far today?
Well, let me think. I've woken up, obviously, around 6:30. I've had a shower, and I've drunk 2 glasses of water. Hydration is important.
2 glasses already? Good for you. I've only had 1, but I've made myself a smoothie for breakfast.
Ooh, what kind?
Banana and strawberry, my favorite. Have you eaten anything yet?
Yes, I have. I've had some oatmeal with honey. It keeps me full until lunch.
Nice choice. Now, listeners, notice how we're not saying the exact time we did these things. We're just emphasizing that we've completed them.
Right. The focus is on the action being finished, not when it happened.
So let's talk about other morning activities. Liam, have you checked your phone today?
Yes, I have. Way too many times, probably. I've checked my messages and I've scrolled through some news. What about you?
Same here. I've replied to a few texts and I've looked at my calendar for the day. Pretty standard morning stuff.
Have you done any exercise yet?
Actually, yes. I've done some stretches, just 10 minutes, but it makes a difference. Have you exercised?
Not yet. I haven't exercised today, but I plan to go for a jog this evening.
And there's another important use, everyone. When we say haven't or hasn't, we're talking about things we still need to do.
Exactly. So, Sophie, what haven't you done yet today?
Well, I haven't done the dishes from last night. They're still sitting in the sink. I know. I should do them soon.
No judgment here. I haven't made my bed yet. I'll do it after we finish recording.
I haven't walked my dog yet either. Poor Bailey is waiting for his afternoon walk.
See, listeners, this is perfect for talking about your to-do list, things you haven't completed yet but intend to do.
Now, let's think bigger picture. Liam, what's something you've always done as part of your routine?
Good question. I've always written in my journal before bed. Ever since I was a teenager, I've kept this habit.
That's really cool. I've always listened to music while cooking. It started years ago, and now it just feels wrong without it.
These are great examples of habits that started in the past and continue now.
What about things you've never done, Liam?
Oh, let me think. I've never had an iced coffee for breakfast. I know lots of people love it, but I've always preferred hot coffee.
Interesting. I've never woken up before 5 a.m. voluntarily. Some people are early birds, but that's just not me.
I've never skipped lunch. Even when I'm busy, I've always made time to eat something.
Those never statements are powerful. They show something hasn't happened at any point up until now.
So, let's practice with questions. Sophie, have you ever forgotten your P's?
Oh, yes. I've locked myself out of my apartment twice this year. It's so frustrating.
Have you ever missed your bus or train?
Yes, I have. Just last week, actually. I've missed the bus a few times when I've overslept.
See how natural that sounds? Now let's talk about recent things. What's something new you've tried lately?
I've started learning to bake bread. It's been really fun. What about you?
I've begun practicing meditation in the mornings. Just 5 minutes, but I've noticed I feel calmer throughout the day.
That's wonderful. So, listeners, you can use the present perfect for recent changes in your routine, too.
Now, here's a useful tip. We often use already with the present perfect to show something is complete.
Right. For example, I've already finished my work means it's done, maybe even sooner than expected.
And we use yet in questions and negatives. Have you finished yet? Or I haven't finished yet.
Let's practice with a typical afternoon. Liam, by 3 p.m., what have you usually done?
By mid-afternoon, I've usually had lunch, I've answered my emails, and I've taken a short break to walk around outside.
Good routine. By that time, I've usually had a coffee or tea, I've done some work tasks, and I've probably snacked on something healthy. Or not so healthy.
We're all human. Now, what about things that haven't happened yet by that time?
Well, I usually haven't started dinner prep yet, and I definitely haven't finished all my work for the day.
Same here. I haven't gone grocery shopping yet. That's an evening activity for me.
So you see, listeners, the present perfect helps you paint a picture of your day without getting stuck on specific times.
It's all about connecting the past to the present moment. What's done, what's not done, what's still ongoing.
Let me give you some more examples you can use. I've just arrived home. That just shows it happened very recently.
Or, I've lived in this city for 3 years. That shows an action that started in the past and continues now.
Have you ever traveled alone? Asking about life experiences up to now.
She's worked here since January. Again, something that started before and is still true.
The key is practice. Start thinking about your own day using this tense.
When you wake up tomorrow, think, I've woken up. I've gotten out of bed. I've brushed my teeth.
Throughout your day, ask yourself, what have I done? What haven't I done yet?
It'll feel strange at first, but soon it'll become natural.
And remember, you don't always need to say when. The present perfect is flexible like that.
One more thing. This tense is everywhere in English conversation, so you'll hear it constantly once you start listening for it.
Absolutely. In movies, in songs, in everyday chats with friends.
All right, we're coming to the end of our time today. Sophie, before we go, what's one thing you've learned from doing this podcast?
I've learned that teaching grammar can actually be enjoyable. What about you?
I've realized how much we use these structures without even thinking about it. It's fascinating.
So true. All right, listeners, your homework, and yes, we're giving you homework.
Don't worry, it's fun homework. In the comments, tell us what's one thing you've already done today and what's one thing you haven't done yet.
We read every comment, and we love seeing you practice. It helps us know what's working.
And if you haven't subscribed to the HT English Pod yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that button.
Share this episode with a friend who's learning English. They'll thank you for it.
Thanks so much for spending your time with us today. We really appreciate it.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, mistakes are just part of the journey.
Until next time, this is Liam.
And Sophie from the HZ English Pod. Happy learning, everyone!
Bye.